Hi all, welcome back. We're going to look at circularly linked list. So this is almost similar to a singly linked list. Just like a singly linked list, it has just two members in a node, the element member and the next pointer. So yeah, you can see the picture, right? The next pointer is going to point to the next element in the list. But the only difference from a singly linked list is the following. The last node, once you reach the last node on the list, it's going to point back to the what is the first node. It's going to point back to the first node. So therefore this linked list is it's it's in a circle. So that's why it's called as a circularly linked list. Now obviously in a circularly linked list there is no first point or a last point. Even though I use that term, there's no meaning of a first point or a last point, or therefore there is no front, back, or head or tail. But we need one extra pointer which will point to at least one element of this list, right? Only then I can access this list. So that we call it as the start pointer. Start pointer is going to point to some node in this list. You can add an element to this list. You can remove an element to this list. These are questions you will have to think as part of an assignment. Think which element, which, so you, okay, so let's revisit the question. So the question is, first of all, I want to add an element to this list. So you have to find out which is the best place I can add such that I am going to take only constant time and I'm not going to take n steps, or I'm not going to visit n elements. I need to take a constant time and I need to add a new element. So find out which is the best place to do that and write a function which can do that. The next question is, which is the best place I can remove a node. So the function you need to write is remove a node. So you'll have to identify which node can I remove best. That is, which node can I remove in constant time without visiting all the nodes in the list. Now you will have to find out this, think through which is the best node to do these things, and write a program in C++, write a class to implement the circularly linked list. Okay, that will be your assignment. Before we finish, one application of a circularly linked list which you might have seen already. This is, for example, a playlist in your mobile phone, an audio playlist where the list repeats after you have finished listening to all the songs in the list. It again goes back to the first song in your list and it starts playing that again. So that's a circularly linked list. Thank you.